International Flight Stewardess, Ma'am Gisela Tagon. And she is prepared by our handsome guest performer tonight. So tingnan natin kung paano siya sumayaw ng Aminudo. Aminudo is a culture of waray-waray. Sir Jim Jimenez, pagpipigyan mo kami. Ikaw yung kapartner ni Ma'am Gisela. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, Ma'am Gisela Tagon and Mr. Jim Jimenez, one of the band members of G Brothers. Tingnan natin, taga Maynila, no? Taga Maynila, sikat na composer at singer. So, tingnan natin kung paano siya sumayaw dahil magaling siya umawit. Kayo naman, titingnan natin kung paano siya sumayaw ng Aminudo. Okay, music, maestro yung...
Alright, so thank you so much, Sir Jim Jimenez and Ma'am Gisela Tagon, wife of our very own Municipal Vice Mayor of Hernani, Sir Honorable Cesar Tagon.